The OREI UHD EX165 EAK is a professional-grade 4K HDMI extender that transmits crystal clear video up to 165 feet over a single Cat6 6A cable. It supports 4K at 60 Hz with full 444 chroma sampling and 18 gigabits bandwidth, ensuring minimal latency, uncompressed signal delivery. With HDCP 2.2 compliance and HDR support, including Dolby Vision, HDR10, HDR10 Plus, and HLG, it preserves stunning picture quality across long distances. The HDMI lets you connect a local display at the source simultaneously. For audio, it handles both high-resolution eARC formats like Dolby Atmos and DTS-X, as well as legacy ARC and SPI DEEP audio, including Dolby and DTS 5.1. Bi-Directional IR control, CEC pass-through, and advanced EDID management allow seamless device control from either end. With power over cable and plug-and-play setup, the UHD EX165 EAK is built for reliable long-distance AV installations.